day, everyone. Good day, everyone. We start the live stream share in 5 minutes. Okay. Let's be patient. We start the live stream share in 5 minutes. Start the live stream share in 5 minutes. Okay, just want others to join us. It's in 3 minutes time. 3 minutes time. We share our screen in 3 minutes time. Okay, if this is your first time, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of the Next Digital Lane, where everyone has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, and be able to learn the right formula and approach and be able to make money from this industry from the comfort of their home. So today what we are doing is that we have market fundamental and technical breakdown. And what does this mean? It means that you learn about the market. We're going to share with you essential tips and tricks in the market, and then we're going to be sharing with you a forecast of what we expect price to do in the market for this time period of October 23rd to October 27th. Okay, so that is the purpose of this live stream. We also go through the fundamentals, which has to do with the current state of the market fundamentally. And by fundamental, we mean news events and occurrences in the whole world. So that is what the live stream is all about today. Also, we'll be sharing with you some exciting opportunities offered to you by Tenet Digital Lane. And if you could stay to the end, you're going to get the gift of having a 50% discount on all of a particular product, our course. You're going to get 50% discount to learn how to trade the financial market, learn how to make money with real estate, and also learn how to make money in the next crypto bull run. So I want you to smash the like button, share this content, and comment below your favorite part of this series. If you have any questions, comment below. And lastly, share this opportunity with your community, share this opportunity with your friends, share this opportunity so that they can be able to join and learn how to make money in these various industries. Okay. Yeah. So in few minutes, sorry, few seconds, I'll be sharing my screen. In few seconds, I'll be sharing my screen. So okay, fantastic. I just shared my screen. By now, you should be able to see my screen. And like I said, if you have any comments, drop the comments. Drop the comments on the comment section. Okay, so what you're currently looking at is DXY, which is the strength of the dollar. Is the strength of the dollar, and if you look at the pair very well, you see that from here we had a massive impulsive move, which is a move to the upside, increasing the value of dollar. And after that, the market came back down and took out liquidities from this low. After that, the market was had another impulsive move. This is more of a corrective structure, a move down, and this is more of what a chopping movement. This is a chopping movement for the dollar because dollar had a massive uptrend and also massive buy momentum in the month of August. So we're expecting a corrective structure down to this level. But currently, due to the structure we see currently in the week, we expect market to come back into this what ceiling, be resisted, and then after that it starts coming to the downside to this floor. That's what I see for the dollar. So for the start of the week, we are going to expect some buy momentum for the dollar, and before the week ends, then we're going to see some sell momentum for the dollar. Okay, so let's watch out. Let's watch out for that. Let's watch out for that. Then the next pair on the list is euro against dollar. So we already told you that at the start of the week, the dollar is going to gain momentum, and then before the week ends, we expect what dollar to lose momentum. It could be vice versa. It could be vice versa. The movement you see in the market is quite choppy. Okay, the movement you see in the market is quite choppy, and from what I see currently, you see that the market came from this point. There's a ceiling here, more of a resistance, and the market was resisted to the downside, created this slow corrective structure, another impulsive wave, a bigger corrective structure. We broke this high. Okay, from this point now, the market came back here, creating a lower low. This is no, a lower high. This is a higher high, a lower high. So from here now, the short market was come back into this place, grab some liquidity, and then surpass this high. That's for euro. So that's what we expect. Either the market goes up at the start of the week. Two biases. Either the market starts moving up from this level at the start of the week, break above this resistance, use this resistance as support, and continue moving up, or the market comes back down here, grabs liquidity over here, and then when it grabs liquidity over here, then starts moving up from this level. Okay, so there is high chances that the market might not come back to this support to grab liquidity. It might come back to this particular support here to grab liquidity, and then after it grabs liquidity from this level, then we can be expecting what a push to the upside, which is more buying opportunities for the euro. Okay, But one thing I know for sure is that the dollar is going to be weak at the end of the week. Okay, it's going to be weak at the end of the week. So the next pair on the list is the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. Now last week, our group, the Australian dollar against the United States dollar, I sent it in the free Telegram group. The link is going to be on the description. Okay, so just go down to the description to get the link to our free Telegram group where you can get free signals once every day, about 3 times in a week. But if you're part of the VIP, you can be getting 1 to 2 signals every day and 5 times in a week. So over here is the Australian dollar. You can see the Australian dollar is currently inside this floor. The market came from this selling, fell into this floor, and from where it was supported and the market moved to the upside. The market came back to this floor again and was supported, and the market moved to and right now the market is back into this floor. Okay, and from here we can expect what more buying opportunities for the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. Okay, so that's what I really see in the market when it comes to Australian dollar. Although if the market is lower and takes out this low and this low, I'll be looking for my buy setups for the Australian dollar against the United States dollar. Okay, I'll be looking for my buy setups, and any buy setup I see, even from this low, to take out liquidity from this low and take out liquidity from this low, which is people's stop loss. We can still expect more upwards, push to the upside for a buy. Okay, so that's what I see Australian dollar against the United States dollar. But currently, we are inside a support, which is also a floor, and from here we can see the markets rallying to the upside. We have some fundamental data that will be backing up that information, though. We have some fundamental news. That's exactly Monday by 11 p.m. West African time. We have some fundamental news backing that data. So if this fundamental news turns out to be higher than forecast, currently we have 48.6. If you have a data that is at least 49, that could give Australian dollar the strength they need to start buying. People will start buying this Judo Bank Manufacturing PMI. Then we have Judo Bank Service PMI. Okay, so if there is a higher than forecast, which is probably around 51.5 or 51.6, then this is going to give investors in Australia or investors in the international market to buy the Australian dollar, and that could be an opportunity to see some push from this level up here. So be watching out for that for the Australian dollar. Then the next pair on our list is gold. Gold is the next pair on our list. So currently on gold, I'm impressed. I'm impressed by the move gold has taken so far. But currently, gold is inside a H4 resistance level and also a selling. And when the market is at a selling, what do we expect? We expect the market to be resisted. We expect the market to be resisted. I already marked out that selling. I already marked out that ceiling for gold. Let me delete this figure I put here. Okay, so this is what I see currently on gold. So for gold, I think this week I will the market to sell. I expect the market to sell, but that would be more of a scalp trade. The market will start selling, then go back up and take out buy a stop loss, which is taking out liquidity, stop loss liquidity, and from there they could start moving to the downside massively. Okay, so when the market drops on gold, then from probably 50% of this particular move at 50% Fibonacci level of a particular move, we start looking for our buy setups. Okay, we can take the Fibonacci from this swing low up to this swing high, and at 50%, we can start looking for the buys. So currently, the market is we are expecting the 50% to be around 1900 psychological level. The psychological level, okay, 1900. That's the 50% psychological level. So let's mark that out. Let's mark that out. Gold, the psychological level 1900. Okay, so this is 50% level of gold, the psychological level, and from there, all buyers who are swing traders can start expecting more buy opportunity. But for now, gold is really inside the resistance, which has held the market. Let me uh, show you guys the past data. Let me show you guys the past data. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, the chart is loading, but it's taking quite some time. Beautiful. So this was a resistance. Over here was a resistance that made the market to drop in value. The chart is still loading. I just hope it loads quickly. And then now the market what fell to this support, daily support, and is back to that resistance. What we're expecting here is more of a corrective structure. Okay, more of the corrective structure. The market might not get to this level, this 50% corrective structure, and from it could just get to this current level at this point and start buying. But one thing I know is that for the start of the week, because like I said, dollar is going to gain some strength, and before the week ends, dollar is going to lose its strength. So as the week starts and dollar gains its strength, we can see what gold sell, because I marked out this particular level, this particular resistance from past data, but it's currently not loading up. I don't know why. It's lagging from this the trading view, I guess. So from here, we expect what the market to sell, but probably the market maker will want to pull us out. They will not want us to join them with this trade. So we'll be very, very cautious and careful with gold. Gold is very volatile. So as soon as we see that the market makers are taking out uh, uh, sellers stop loss, you understand, this happens mainly during London sessions. Then we can now see, yes, that it's a good signal for us to sell from that level. It's more of a scalp trade. Okay, for scalp trade, you can be aiming for at least 100, 200 pips. Okay, then but for the swing trade, you now be expecting what before the week ends for dollar to lose its momentum, and then we'll be expecting a swing trade up to 2016. 2016, that's gold price. Okay, swing trade to the upside. So the next on the list is US oil, US oil, United States oil. US oil is currently loading. Okay, so US oil, you can see there we have been having a lot of chopping moves for US oil. We have been having a lot of chopping moves for US oil. But like I told you guys, the major target of US oil is $80 per barrel target. The $80 per barrel target is the major target of US oil. But currently, you can see the market is having a corrective structure to the upside. And after that, we should be expecting what another impulsive way for this. Okay, but this is more of a corrective structure, and it is forming like an ascending wedge. Okay, so you need to be patient. You need to be patient for it to form. Okay, you need to be patient for the ascending wedge to form. But when there is a breakout, that's when we then start looking for our. You can expect market to go from here. Okay, then when you see a breakout, that's when we have our trades. Okay, so it's more of a patience game. So that is more of a patience game for the US oil pair. Then like I told you guys, target is $80 per barrel. It has not gotten to that level yet. So you need to be patient. But although you can scalp trades to the upside, you can scalp trade to the upside. You could take out buyers from this high over. Sorry, sellers stop loss from this high over here, and then from there we can now be expecting sales on US oil. So we're expecting a little drop in US oil down to $80 per barrel. Then for Bitcoin is currently on the merge to hit $30,000 for one Bitcoin. $30,000 for one Bitcoin. Yeah, it's already smashed that level. Like I told you guys, I've been saying that for a long time that Bitcoin is going to that level, $30,000. And I see from this level 25,000, it just touched 25,000 and started moving to the upside. It never came back down again. So based on investment levels, you can invest and hold in Bitcoin, but what I expect currently, as soon as the week starts up, you can expect some corrective structure, and after that, you see some move to the upside for Bitcoin, continuation move to the upside, probably to the cost per mining. That's around 33,000. You can expect it to get 33,000. Okay, that's the average cost for miners to mine one Bitcoin. So that is it for the pairs. So let's check out the opportunity. If you want to learn about digital trading, you can go to our store. The link is going to be below. Seller.co/click to cart. That's the name of the store. Then it's Internet Digital Lane Store. First hand information about digital asset opportunities from around the world. So over here we have some freebies. You can take our real estate freebie book, how you can make six figures in 6 months on Airbnb. We did it and we shared the information with you on that book. Then how to become a passive income machine from real estate as well. Then we have a crypto and forex offline trading journal for professional traders who want to take their game serious. We also have the Tenet Digital Lane Signal services. If you want to join our VIP signals and not the Telegram free signals, you can go over here and get that package for yourself. Then we also have the Tenet Digital Lane educational course. This is the educational course I told you guys that you can get for 50% discount. And if you use the code 10x digital 50, then you can be able to get 50% off. Then the description is going to be on description as well. The discount code is going to be on description as well. Then these are our Forex Mastery Guide to Trading Success book. And you can get it on seller.com. We're currently going to apply the book on Amazon as well, and you can get it on Amazon. And if you want the hard copy, it will be shipped to you by Amazon. So that is it. No discount on this. It's just a penny on a dollar. That's $2.77. Okay. You can purchase it from any country. If you're in South Africa, if you're in any part of the world, you can see that we have every currency here: Nigeria, London, Ghana. I think this Kenya, South Africa. I don't know all these currencies there, but anywhere you are, you can select your own currency, make a payment with your card or bank transfer, and you get the digital copy. Okay, but if you want the physical copy of this book, we'll be dropping the link on the description after we have added it to Amazon. Okay. And meanwhile, for the trading journal, I think the trading journal is going to be for individuals within Nigeria. Okay, individuals within Nigeria. If you're outside Nigeria, I'm so sorry you can't get the trading journal, but you can get every other course here. Thank you. So The fundamentals. Diving to the fundamentals, we already went through the Monday fundamentals. Then for Tuesday, we have the Great Britain pound unemployment rate 7 a.m. London time, and unemployment rate is bad when it is higher than forecast, and it is good when it's lower than forecast, and can weaken the currency when it is exactly as forecast. Whenever that information is out, we're looking out for Great Britain pound pairs. But what we are more interested in is the European pair. That's with consumer confidence (GfK). This is for Germany. So if there is higher consumer confidence, it means that people who live in the economy expect that the economy is going to be better. Then we will see investors pumping money into the European uh, European unit, then it will be higher than the dollar. So, but if it is not as expected or lower than expected, then we should be expecting what sell-offs from euro, and then the dollar would gain some momentum. Then we have service PMI, manufacturing PMI, service PMI for this particular Germany, France, service PMI, manufacturing PMI. Then also we have service PMI and manufacturing PMI for euro units. Okay. Then to wrap up the London session, we have S&P Global Service PMI for GBP and S&P Manufacturing PMI for London as well. So we're focusing more on the Euro pairs. Then we have USD S&P Global Service PMI for New York session. This is for dollar. This could be the trigger we needed for Euro USD to sell. So we're watching out for that exactly by 2:45 p.m. West African time. Then on Wednesday we have CPI for Australian dollar 1:30 a.m. CPI, a lot of CPI inflation rates for Australian dollar Wednesday early in the morning. Then London session we have Europe IFO business climate, IFO business climate, and then New York session by 3 p.m. West African time. We have new home sales for the dollar. This has high impact. This has high impact. Meanwhile, for the IFO business climate, it doesn't have that high impact on the euro. Whatever happened on Tuesday would probably transcend on Wednesday with the current movements. But we'll be watching out for New York session. Then on Thursday, unemployment rate, that's the high impact news. London session, high impact news, unemployment rate by 8 o'clock. And that could be the trigger we needed. If there was a sell off on Wednesday, if there was a sell off on Wednesday, then we expect more sell offs. If there was a sell off on Wednesday, if there was a sell off on Wednesday for Euro, then we're expecting more sell off for on Thursday as well for the unemployment rates. Okay, so we have to watch out for that. We have to watch out for that. It's very important to watch out for that on the fundamentals. Then we have Europe interest rate decision. I like what I see here. Europe interest rate decision, which is if this interest rate decision is increased, it's going to make the euro weak, and then there will be sell-offs in Europe. And if the interest rate is left unchanged, it's going to also make the euro what weak, and the euro is going to drop. But if the interest rate is decreased, it's going to make the euro strong, and then euro will be bought. So I'll be watching out for Thursday. Thursday is one of my favorite trading days, so we'll be trading live together. New York session Thursday. Then we have good trade balance. Euro USD is going to have a lot of volatility. Because good trade balance has a lot of volatility for the New York pair, USD. Durable goods, GDP growth, initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, and then the Euro press conference to seal the day off New York session. Then on Friday we have GDP growth rate. This is 6:30. So this is going to be the continuation move of what happened on Thursday. Is what's going to happen on Friday for Euro by 6:30. If there was a sell-off on Europe on Thursday, there will be a continuation sell-off on Europe on Friday. And then retail sales. To wrap up the day is personal income month over month, personal spending month over month, and consumer confidence for the dollar. So this is what we have for the high impact news for the week. But my most favorite day is going to be a Thursday, and that's because of the interest rate decision. This is the second high impact news after the non-farm payroll. I hope you guys got value. If you got value, please smash the like button, share this content, and don't hesitate to reach us with the link on the description. Okay? I wish you guys a profitable trading week. Peace.